Vice President Chiwenga as the quiet force behind Zambia's military backbone, is no longer playing second fiddle. Sources close to the party's inner circle review a growing consensus. Like it or not, General Chiwenga is poised to become the next first secretary of ZANU-PF and ultimately president of Zimbabwe. Everyone is celebrating. Saramna mashukobda pangwa ine wanawachita vipi Constantino Chiwenga pangwa ine wa unstoppable ndiye arikuzowa the first secretary of ZANU-PF, ultimately achieving Zimbabwe's next president. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team Davenda Chipomsa Romdan Chiti, criminal Kuda Questa Gray and Pino Chivayo are reportedly scrambling to contain General Chiwenga's momentum in a desperate bid to undermine the vice president's standing. Insiders allege that the duo mobilized 10 buses of youths from Midlands province to attend the ZANU-PF Congress in Mutare, not to support the party, but to publicly boo Chiwenga. The move, described by one party veteran as a reckless act of sabotage, signals the depth of panic within Mnangagwa's realistic camp. The Midlands, traditionally Mnangagwa's stronghold, is now being weaponized in a factional war that threatens to tear the party apart. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has remained conspicuously silent as chants of Pasine words are echoed through party gatherings. Whether this is a calculated move to let factions cannibalize each other or a sign to wanting control is unclear. But what is certain is that the center is no longer holding. General Chiwenga, backed by war veterans and the military elite, is consolidating power. Tagurei, once the kingmaker behind Mnangagwa's rise, is reportedly being sidelined. Vehicles donated by criminal Tagurei have been recalled. His influence is shrinking, and Chivayo's flamboyant displays of wealth are no longer enough to mask the growing resentment within party ranks. This is not just a succession battle, it's a full-blown political reckoning. The youth are being weaponized, business interests are clashing with military authority, and the silence from the top is deafening. If Chiwenga ascends, it will mark the return of hardline military discipline to Zimbabwe's leadership. If Tagore and Chiwenga succeed in derailing him, it will be a triumph of money over merit. Either way, ZANU-PF is at a crossroads, and the nation is watching. Thomas Kwaripo muri Zimbabwe pamusoro pemataxi ari kuita una vipi Constantino Chiwenga. Tudze mafunguro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wabvina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.